All right, guys, Robin sent in this old Series 5200 American. It's got the old American style logo on it. Just a beautiful lock. It's in great shape. No wear on this thing at all. It's just beautiful. Flip it over. It's got VGI on the back. If you go to the Lock Lab webpage on the downloads page, there's a decoding tool. It's in a spreadsheet format. You guys can real quick figure out the V stands for May and the GI stands for 1986. This thing looks like it just came out of the box. We take a look at the keys even. There's no wear on these guys. You can still see the vertical striations from the machining. A little bit of chattering going on as they shoved them through the machine. There's the bitting, not bad bitting. They appear to be 5-pinners, and we'll check that in just a minute. Looking at the keyway, there's a little bit of corrosion on the face, but there's no wear. Nothing in there is rounded off, no scrapes or gouges. All sharp edges. These are like brand new, like they came off the production line yesterday. I wish. These are great locks. They contain almost always, almost all security pins. So let's find out if we can get in this guy. What you have to do, though, is obviously maintain very, very light tension. And I'm going to use my high-dollar rat yoke pick because it's a known lock, a known keyway. I don't think I'm really going to be risking him. You have to keep really light tension. And what I do is I just feel along until I find a binding pin. And there it is, pin 4. And just try to get a single click. And what that is one of the cuts on the serrated pins. And then feel around and try to find another one. If they're all still springy, go back to that pin you just picked, give them a second click, and then start feeling around again. And now I have pin 1 is binding. I got a single click, and again, go through the same process. All still springy, come back to pin 1, give them another click. Now I'm on pin 2, single click. If you try to go multiple clicks, chances are you go past the shear line. So I'm going back to pin 2 again. Another little click. There we go. Try not to pick my tension wrench there. That was pin 3. Another click on him. Now, as you progress through the lock, you may have to use increasing amounts of pressure on the pins, but not a lot. And again, I can't tell you an amount because it's impossible to quantify that. Every lock's a little different. But don't force it. Take your time, and you will work your way through it. The moment you get aggressive and you try to overdo it with the tension, or you overdo it and push it past all the shear line, that was pin 5. You pass it past all the serrations or cuts on the pins, and it goes past the shear line, then you're sunk. You're never going to get the lock open. You got to restart. That was pin 5, and now we got to turn on the core. I either have a spool. Oh, no, we have an open. So there we go. Oh, wow, that was tight. And look at that. We still have grease from the factory on this guy. This thing is absolutely brand new. Anyway, Robin, I appreciate you sending in these American locks. These are quite a kick to open. I really like these. I wish they still made locks of this quality. Anyway, guys, appreciate your time. Stay safe. Stay legal.